So another really great steep tea that I love to make is ginger tea. Now this is ginger root, and as you can see it's a gnarly thing, and I use it all the time in cooking. Okay, sometimes they just ask you to peel it, and the peelings are really great to make ginger tea with. Again, this is something that I never buy ginger tea bags. If I want to make ginger tea, I always use fresh ginger. So I'm just going to break a piece off. Now you can just use literally the peel off of it, stuff that maybe you'd think about throwing away. Now if you use the peel, there's two ways you can make this. You can just use the peel and then maybe put it in hot water and just literally cook it a little bit, or you can just steep it. This peel will make a pretty hot gingery thing. The other thing that you can do, which again is that these are all stuff that I do for myself at home, is actually just do very thin, a couple of very thin slices like so. Now all you need to do then is just put these things in here, sort of impromptu tea strainer, put it in a mug, I'm just going to put it all in. Now if you make this in a little teapot, you can just, pour it through the strainer. But as you can see, already it's taking some colour, and you can smell it. It's just totally gingery. Now in the summertime, sometimes I'll just put ginger peel or slices of ginger into a bottle of cold water and leave it in the fridge and let it steep for a couple of hours, and then you get this gorgeous light gingery cold water to drink, which is so delicious. I'm just going to get another mug just to strain it into. You can leave this as long as you like. The longer you leave it, the stronger it's going to be, as with nearly all teas. There we go. Now it doesn't have a lot of colour, because ginger tea shouldn't, but oh boy, it's got a lot of flavour. Feel the smell it. It's just really delicious. If you want to, you can put a little bit of honey or a little bit of agave in there, whatever you like, but not too much. I'd say half a teaspoon would just be fine. But this is how I like it. Oh gosh. I mean, it's so gingery, you can't believe it. Really delicious. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. There'll be a lot more different things that you can find out to look and learn about.